if omega which is not equal to 1 here, okay, be cube roots of unity, and 1 plus omega square raised to n is equal to 1 plus omega whole raised to 4, 1 plus omega raised to 4 whole raised to n. The least positive value of n is what here? Okay, hence 1 plus omega square whole raised to n is equal to 1 plus omega raised to 4 whole raised to n here. Okay, and you know that omega cube is always 1 here. Hence omega raised to 4 becomes omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1 here, so 1 into omega becomes omega. So this becomes omega. So 1 plus omega square raised to n is equal to 1 plus omega whole raised to n. Okay. Then take this term right hand side here. So 1 is equal to, you can write here 1 plus omega divided by 1 plus omega square whole raised to n. You have to cross multiply here, and you can write like this here. You know that 1 plus omega plus omega square is equal to 0. Hence 1 plus omega is minus omega square, and 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So use here. So 1 is equal to 1 plus omega is minus of omega square divided by 1 plus omega square is minus omega whole raised to n. Here minus upon minus becomes a plus here. Omega and 1 omega cancels here. So 1 is equal to what here? Omega raised to n here. Okay, here we want the least positive value of n here. You know that omega cube is 1 here. Obviously n is equal to 3. Okay, therefore the least positive value is n is equal to 3. If n is 3 here, then omega cube becomes 1 here. So if omega is a non-real cube root of unity, then a plus b into a plus b omega into a plus b omega square is, okay, 5 options are there. Therefore a plus b into a plus b omega into a plus b omega square is equal to, you write here a plus b into bracket, multiply the terms here. A into a becomes a square, then plus a into b omega square, it's a b omega square here, b omega into a, so plus ab omega plus b omega into b omega square, b square omega cube here. Okay, therefore this equal to a plus b here into bracket, so write here a square, then the plus. From these two terms here, ab is the common factor here, so therefore omega square plus omega, right in the bracket here, write ab outside, then a plus here, and omega cube is 1 here, 1 into b square is b square here, bracket complete here, and this is equal to a plus b into a square, and you know omega plus omega square is a minus 1 here, so minus of ab plus b square here. Then a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is a cube plus b cube formula. So a cube plus b cube is the answer here, first option. So again, if omega is a complex cube root of unity, and sum of these 3 terms is equal to what here? Okay, so 5 options are there. Here in this case, multiplying and dividing by omega square here. Multiply omega square and dividing by omega square, and take that omega square inside here, means multiply each element by omega square here. So therefore here omega square into bracket a plus b omega plus c omega square, write as it is, a plus B omega plus C omega square divided by, then multiply each term by omega square here. So C omega square plus A into omega cube plus B into omega raised to 4a. Okay, bracket complete here. Multiplying each element by omega square. And here multiplying omega and dividing by omega here. Okay, multiplying and dividing by omega. Hence omega into C plus A omega plus B omega square divided by, multiply each element by omega here. Hence A omega plus B omega square plus C omega cube here. So C omega cube. Okay. Then a plus here. Here you write this one as it is. So B plus C omega plus A omega square divided by, then B plus C omega raised to 4 A omega raised to 5. You not to change anything here, keep as it is. So you know that omega cube here. Omega cube is 1. Then omega raised to 4 is omega cube into omega. 1 into omega becomes omega. Then omega raised to 5. That is omega cube into omega square. Omega cube is 1 here. 1 into omega square becomes omega square. So use these results here. Okay. Therefore this is equal to omega square into A plus B omega plus C omega square divided by. Okay. Here omega cube is 1 here. A into 1 becomes A. So write here A. Then omega raised to 4 is omega here. Omega into B. So B omega here. Then C omega square write as it is. Plus C omega square. Then plus here. Omega into bracket. So C plus A omega plus B omega square divided by. Then here omega cube is 1 here. 1 into C becomes a C here. Then plus here. Then A omega write as it is. A omega. And B omega square also write as it is. B omega square. Then plus A. Numerator term B plus C omega plus A omega square divided by. Then write here B here. And omega raised to 4 is omega here. So it is a C omega. And omega raised to 5 is omega square here. So it is a omega square. Okay, A omega square. Therefore this numerator and denominator terms get cancels here. This term get cancels. Therefore remaining here omega square plus omega plus 1 here. You know the result here. Sum of cube roots of it is always 0. Hence D is the answer. 0 is the answer. So let omega is the imaginary cube root of unity. Then the value of, okay. So 2 into 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square plus 3 into 2 omega plus 1 into 2 omega square plus 1 dash 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 plus n plus 1 into n omega plus 1 into n omega square plus 1 here. Okay. Therefore here this series can be written as summation of, okay, S equal to summation of n plus 1 into n omega plus 1 here into n omega square plus 1 here. Okay, it is a nth term here. This is a nth term. Therefore, summation of n plus 1 into n omega plus 1 into n omega square plus 1 here. Then this is equal to summation of multiply these terms here. N plus 1 n omega into n omega square it is n omega cube here, n omega cube plus n omega into 1, it is n omega here, 1 into n omega square, n omega square plus 1 into 1 becomes 1 here, so write in the bracket here. Then this is equal to summation of n plus 1 here, and omega cube is always 1 here, 1 into n becomes n, and from these two terms here n is the common factor, so omega plus omega square into n plus 1 here. Therefore this is equal to summation of summation of n plus 1. So write n here, omega plus omega square is a minus 1 here, so minus of n here, then plus 1 here. Okay, here n into n is n square here, n square omega cube, so omega cube is 1 into n square is n square. Okay, then n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1 gives what here? Summation of n cube plus 1 here, n cube plus 1 cube here, n cube plus 1 cube, so 1 cube is 1 itself here. Yes, summation of n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here, then plus summation of 1 is n here. Summation n cube formula n square n plus 1 whole square by 4, and a summation of 1 is n here. Therefore you can write this one as n into n plus 1 divided by 2 here, it's a square, plus n here. Okay, then obviously first option here. Okay, so first option is correct here. Okay, here omega is a complex cube root of unity, then the value of, okay, sum of these two terms here. Let's take a previous example here. Here multiply and dividing by omega square, and here multiplying and dividing by omega here. So multiplier omega square, so p plus q omega plus r omega square divided by r into omega square here, r omega square plus omega into omega square is omega cube here, p omega cube plus q into omega square becomes omega raised to 4 here, okay, omega raised to 4, then plus omega into, so p plus q omega plus r omega square divided by, so q omega, then r omega square plus p omega cube here, so p omega cube, multiply omega and dividing by omega here. Hence this is equal to omega square into p plus q omega plus r omega square divided by, then r omega square right as it is, p omega cube here, omega cube is when 1 into p becomes a p here, so right here p, omega raised to 4 is omega here, q into omega plus q omega, and r omega square, so plus r omega square, then plus here omega into bracket p plus q omega plus r omega square divided by, okay, here omega cube is 1 here, 1 into p becomes a p, so right here p, then plus here, then q omega, so right here q omega plus r omega square is there, right here r omega square, here this term and this term cancels here, these two term get cancels, hence this is equal to what here, omega square plus, these two cancels here, hence omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1 here, because 1 plus omega plus omega square is 0 here, hence omega plus omega square is minus of 1 here. Therefore minus 1, so C is the answer here. Okay, the value of 1 plus omega square plus 2 omega whole raised to 3n minus 1 plus omega plus 2 omega square raised to 3n is equal to what? So 1 plus omega square plus 2 omega raised to 3n minus of 1 plus omega plus 2 omega square raised to 3n is equal to, okay, so here 1 plus omega plus omega square equal to 0, okay, then 1 plus omega is a minus omega square here. Take this one right hand side here, take omega right hand side, 1 plus omega square is a minus omega here. Take 1 right hand side here, omega plus omega square is minus 1 here. Okay, so here 1 plus omega square is there, 1 plus omega square is a minus of omega here, minus omega plus 2 omega whole raised to 3n minus of, and here 1 plus omega is a minus omega square here, minus omega square plus 2 omega square raised to 3n, okay, raised to 3n. Then this is equal to 2 omega minus omega is omega here raised to 3n minus 2 omega square minus omega square is omega square raised to 3n, whole raised to 3n. Okay, here it is a minus omega plus 2 omega is only omega raised to 3n. 2 omega square minus omega square is omega square raised to 3n. Okay, then this can be written as omega cube raised to n here minus, even here also omega cube raised to 2n here. Okay, because a raised to mn, a raised to mn is a raised to m whole raised to n, or a raised to m whole raised to n. Okay, therefore you can use that formula, omega raised to 3n is omega cube raised to n minus, here 2 3 is 6n, 6n can write omega cube whole raised to 2n is, again it is 6n only, and you know that omega cube value is 1 here, so 1 raised to n minus of 1 raised to n here, because omega cube is 1 here, so this becomes what here, 0, therefore 0 is the answer here.